Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Squarespace Commerce for Dropshipping. Is it right for you? My review. Squarespace Commerce for Dropshipping is a service that allows you to create and manage an online store without holding any inventory. It's targeted towards entrepreneurs and small business owners looking to start a dropshipping business. Key features include website building tools, product management, order fulfillment integrations, and various marketing tools. Their website provides details on different pricing plans based on the features you need. They emphasize ease of use, allowing you to quickly set up a professional-looking online store with no coding required. Squarespace boasts a seamless integration with popular dropshipping platforms, allowing you to easily import products and manage orders. While they don't explicitly advertise no hidden fees, their pricing structure seems transparent. They also highlight beautiful, customizable templates to make your store stand out. Availability is worldwide, as long as you have an internet connection. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Squarespace Commerce for Dropshipping. Setting up my store was surprisingly straightforward. The onboarding process guided me through connecting with a dropshipping supplier, choosing a template, and customizing my store's appearance. Navigating the interface was intuitive. Adding products was as simple as clicking a button, and managing orders was equally easy thanks to the centralized dashboard. I tested the platform's performance by placing a few test orders, and the entire process from order placement to shipment notification was smooth. The website loaded quickly, and I experienced no downtime during my testing period. I had a quick question about integrating a specific payment gateway, and their support responded within a day via email with a helpful solution. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, allowing me to track sales, inventory, and customer data all in one place. The standout feature for me was definitely the seamless integration with my chosen dropshipping supplier. One minor drawback was the limited customization options for some of the templates. It took me a little while to get used to the more advanced settings for things like email marketing and SEO. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Squarespace Commerce for Dropshipping. It provides a user-friendly platform for building and managing a dropshipping business. That's my overview of Squarespace Commerce for Dropshipping. Is it right for you? My review. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.